What's up, guys? How are you? So today, what are we doing? So today is not gonna be too interesting of a day. I mean, I guess it still could be, but it's a little late in the day. But there's just a lot of stuff I gotta get done today. So we don't really have too much going on. There's no like fun parts in for today, but the Lexus might be sold today. As you guys know, I've been trying to sell it ever since I got the GTI as the new daily. So the Lexus is for sale, and someone's gonna come look at it, and maybe it sells, maybe it doesn't. Hopefully it does. It'd be kind of cool. Then we can move on to some even cooler stuff. So a lot of you guys too are probably wondering why I haven't got my lift yet. I was gonna go pick one up in New York, and it was like a 2-hour drive. I ended up talking to another company that's closer. They're gonna give me a better deal, and so I think I decided to go with that company. So unfortunately, instead of going to pick one up and getting it like now, I'm gonna wait a week, but it's gonna be shipped here, so it's a little bit easier, and it's gonna be better for me in the long run. So we'll have a lift soon. It's gonna be right there. But trust me, I'm really excited for it, and I'm really eager, so I can't wait for that thing. But I wasn't gonna film, but I guess we got some downtime, so why the hell not? Let's get a few things done. I actually want to set the TPS on Jip's car. So if you guys know, we've been driving the budget hatch a lot. Got the new injectors in, got the ECU all tuned up. The last thing I really need to do is set the TPS, so it has better throttle response, and in between shifts it's been kind of like sputtering because I think the ECU is thinking the throttle body is still open when it's not, so it's dumping fuel and all that good stuff. So let's go do it. And by the way, a subscriber, I guess, must have sent me out a VAGCOM, which is like for the Volkswagen. It's like kind of like a, not like a tuning software, but it's just like a really in-depth OBD software that will let you diag your computer. I mean, I like to call it VAGCOM, but you guys never know. But whoever sent it out to me, thank you so much. That's actually like a really handy thing, and it's gonna come in a lot of help when we get the GTI back together. But yeah, okay, enough of me talking. Let's go see if I can figure this out. Hey, Ryan's working on the booth mobile. You finally cleaning this thing out?
Trying to.
Good, keep going at it. Dude, look at you. I'm so proud of you vacuuming your shit.
Still gotta be a freshie.
Yeah, eventually. Come on, look at this dirt. He says it's clean.
It's clean enough.
Dirty ass. Yeah, DJ, I'm so happy you're here.
I'm happy I'm here.
So you're gonna test fit the VFS?
Yeah. I think that would be, do you think they'll fit?
Oh yeah, no problem.
In the rears?
Yeah, 100%.
Without arms?
100%.
Yeah.
So, DJ's been trying to buy Drew's VFKS off him because Drew just wants money, because Drew likes money a lot. So,
and I want to give Jimmy his wheels back because
appreciate it. But I mean, she's got a good pass off on them. They look good.
Yeah.
But yeah. So I think we're gonna test fit them too. I gotta find my voltmeter. I can't find it anywhere. And all right, guys, so gonna set the TPS. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be connecting the terminal 2 and 3 and seeing what the voltage is between it. It's supposed to be within the range like 0.45 to 0.55 volts. And the TPS is right here. The throttle body positioning sensor, as you might know, as we adjust it, it's gonna change the voltage, so we gotta set it correctly.
Slaving away over here. Okay, here's Jip sitting sideline.
Yo, ask him. Plug in the sensor that was over by that coolant leak.
What'd you say?
There was a sensor that I forgot to plug back in over by the coolant leak.
We already plugged it in, Doto.
Alright, good. What are you guys doing?
We're just like gonna do some burnies in the parking lot.
No, for real though.
3rd gear rolly.
And this
For real
hole.
though.
Huh?
Can you ask him what he's doing?
What we're doing?
Setting the TPS.
We're putting my plate on it and we're gonna just go hoon around town.
Alright, we'll make sure the clutch works.
Yeah.
You're setting the TPS.
Don't worry, we'll break it in.
He's setting the TPS though?
No lift shifts. Don't worry about what he's doing. Why don't you come down here if you want to see what he's doing?
This is the first day I haven't been at the shop in like...
What are you doing? What are you wearing, first of all? No shirt on. We'll send you videos of the burnouts, so it's gonna be sick. Your forehead looks even bigger on FaceTime.
Yep. There it is. 0.49. I'll take it. Now we have to set the idle because it changes the whole idle. Ew. I still hate that alternating idle.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? No, okay, so as you can see, now we're all set. The idle is varying a lot, but luckily we have the AFR gauge. So if you look down here, which, I mean, I don't know if you'll see the camera, you'll see it'll go from running at good numbers of 13 and see how it spikes up to like 17. That means we have to add a little more fuel. The fuel map has to be adjusted. So we could see where it's idling at on the screen, and we could just increase it. And let's see if it.
Well, Chief.
And it goes away. So we're straight. So now it's idling consistently in the 13s, and it's nice and smooth. So
What the fuck is that?
now it has good throttle response. Retunch. So the goal is Jip wants to register the car this weekend, so we have to get it VIN verified, because in Connecticut, if you buy a car out of state, you have to go get it VIN verified. So we might fake plate this to somewhere that can do it, so we can save ourselves a trip. Donald stealing your wheels?
Yeah, we're trading.
You gonna put those on the Skyline?
Yep. Can't wait.
Off with the Intelessis.
Really?
On with the VSKFs.
Alright, let's see it. It's more your style anyways.
I'm gonna have 2 fucking sets now. But I gotta take them off Drew Rule's car.
They fit well?
No, I knew they weren't gonna fit.
Oh, they're so close!
They fit tit. Look at that tit's fucking tit.
Put it on?
What?
Like fully seat it. I want to see how this actually fits.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's so close.
What so far?
DJ, what happened to fitting your wheels?
Stressed out.
So, they don't fit. So DJ's gonna add some camber, and luckily we have some spare camber arms laying around because they're the same between the R, the Z, and the S chassis. So, good luck, Donald. Jip just said come here, so we'll see what Jip's up to. What's up? You putting in the brake switch?
Are they on?
Your brakes?
Yeah.
Take off the pedal. Pedal on. Nope.
I don't know what I did wrong.
You don't know what you did wrong?
Because they're on when the brake's up, but they're off when the brake's on.
We'll figure it out.
First thing
So Jip, we figured out what it was, right?
Yeah, no bumper for the bumper to bump up against.
Cool. You give up?
I got out of work. Like I came straight here.
I don't blame you. I
I'll
know.
save it
This
for
is
another day.
your bedtime is like in an hour.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Tired. It's hot.
They'll be here anyways. Don't worry about
This week I'll do it. I'll
We'll
get
get it
some
right.
motivation.
it. You guys remember we've been trying to make Jip's car like fully streetable, and really the last thing it needed was brake lights. And Jip needed a brake light switch. We found that out, and he found one off his parts car because we still have parts of that. And what's the last piece to it?
I'm getting this fucking grommet in so that it hits the button.
Wrong size?
I can't even get it in. I got.
You dead up look like you've been crying.
Just tell me if they work. Just go tell me if they work. Off, word.
Word. On. How do you feel?
Accomplished.
You good?
I don't know. I don't ever want to do that again.
You want a blanket and some hot cocoa? Okay.
Marshmallows.
We'll go get you some cocoa.
Want a golden shower?
All right, B-Hall. And now we wait.
For what? What are we waiting for?
Hopefully the new buyer of the Lexus.
Yeah, they better show up and buy it.
And if they don't, what's gonna happen, B-Hall? Tell them.
I'm gonna be stuck with the Lexus until another
Then
day.
we're gonna have to wait for another buyer to show up and buy it.
So B-Hall, what happened?
Didn't sell today. Maybe the next one, right?
Yeah, it's all right. Homie was a little intimidated by a few of the scratches, but it's okay. She'll sell. We'll move on, and we'll get the GTI bitchin'. Still got some time tonight, so we're gonna do a few things, and that is a little bit of tuning. Not really tuning, but you'll see. So, a lot of you guys might know, I've mentioned it before, but Jordan, the owner of RK Tunes, has actually been helping me out like a decent amount with the swap. He's been really, really helpful. Any question I have, he's known the answer to, and he's also hooking me up with a tune for the Supercharger M52 swap, and he's hooking up for a tune on Brian's 328. Even though it is basically stock, there is a few things you can get out of it, and it's gonna be pretty fun. So, sent me out the cable right here. So this plugs into an OBD2 port to a USB, and this is gonna allow us to upload the tune to our computer, and this allows us to take the information off our DME off also our car's computer and send it to. So this is like a remote tune, so it's gonna scan our car's computer. It's gonna send the information to Jordan. Jordan's gonna go over, put a pre-made tune on it, He's gonna send it to me, then I'm gonna upload it, and we should be hitting. So what I have to do tonight is actually download the information off the ECU on my E36 and Brian's E46, send to Jordan, and he can get the tune, and he can start working on the tune for us, and so we can get our cars hitting. So got the cable in, and it says to follow the instructions and download most recent software, and I did do that already. So now we have to plug this in and see what the heck happens. So this should work correctly as long as I did wire the car correctly. This will pop up, and I think this is right. We're gonna do a E36. I don't think it's working, and it's probably my fault, but we're gonna try Brian's real quick to see if I can figure out on that, because I know it should work. All right, so we're in B-Hall's E46 through 28. Let's see. So we have to do the ECU data first, and then you gotta make the file and read it, and the key has to be on. There's the missing link. Sweet.
What's going on?
How you doing, Drew?
DrewTube viewers. What's up?
Come on. Come on.
Yo, Jimmy, what are you doing to my car, man?
I don't know, man. I think
Something good?
we're good.
I just came over here and this guy's up in my car with a laptop thinking he's some type of tuner or something. I don't know what's happening.
I have no idea what's happening.
Oh, he doesn't either.
I'm drunk as hell.
That makes me confident as all hell.
So I'm gonna actually click the correct ECU this time and see what happens. So take the key out of the ignition. All right.
Out.
Perfect. Come on, please. No interface on. What the? Put the key in actually.
Put it in. Am I turning it?
Turn it on, yeah. God damn it. Well, I did select the wrong ECU twice in a row. This is a Siemens MS41 ECU, but still, there is no interface found. I know it recognizes there's an ECU there, but come on, please work, please work. Fuck. All right, that's not working. It recognizes there's an ECU now, but it just won't read anything. So I did something wrong. Whatever. Hey guys, well, me and B-Hall, of course, tried to ground everything, because when in doubt, ground it out. But I don't know why the ECU isn't reading, because with that plug, all the diag stuff off the ECU comes straight off the ECU, so it's not like any of the chassis wiring. Really confident the ECU is getting power. Maybe it's the cable I bought to adapt the RK tune cable to the chassis. I don't know. Maybe ECU's bad, because I mean, look at this thing. What do you think?
We should probably button up a couple of things, just like tidy up the couple of grounds that we have like set up right now. I don't know what else.
Maybe
what
try
next?
another ECU.
I would definitely like to try another ECU
This-
if we
th-
had
th-
one like laying around.
This does not make me confident. It looks like it was like in a flood car, but whatever. So today was more of a hangout day. Had to do a lot of errands early in the day, but we did get a video out of it. Did some wrenching on Jip's car. Got his TPS all set, so that's pretty cool. DJ tried out the wheels. I got B-Hall car scanned. He changed his wiper blades, I think, but we didn't film that. The Lexus, unfortunately, was not sold, but it's okay. We'll have another buyer come another day, and we'll get that thing gone so we can get that GTI freaking sick. So I think we're gonna call it a night. Sounds good, B-Hall?
Yes, sounds good.
Yeah, it's late. Okay, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and tell them what's good.
Have a great freaking night.
Okay.